Hey Beast, most welcome to the community. In today's video we guide you on managing your money and improve your overall financial well-being. Let's start with most important aspect 1, budgeting. Budgeting is the process of creating a spending plan to align your expenses with your income. Start by understanding all sources of income, including salary, rental income, and bonuses. Keep track of your daily, monthly, and yearly expenses, including necessities and discretionary spending. Identify what you want to achieve with your money, whether it's paying off debt, saving for retirement, or buying a house. Decide how much money you want to allocate to each category, such as housing, transportation, and entertainment. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as necessary to stay on track with your financial goals. Budgeting is key to taking control of your finances and achieving your financial goals. By understanding your income, tracking expenses, setting financial goals, allocating funds, and regularly reviewing your budget, you can make informed decisions about how to best manage your money. 2. Saving. Saving is a vital aspect of personal finance management. The earlier you begin saving, the more time your money has to grow. Identify what you want to save for, such as an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or retirement. Automatically transfer a portion of your income to a savings account to make saving a habit. High-interest debt can erode savings, so prioritize paying off debt before saving. Consider using tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, to save for retirement and take advantage of tax benefits and compound interest. Saving is crucial for financial stability and achieving financial goals. By starting early, setting a goal, automating savings, minimizing debt, and utilizing tax-advantaged accounts, individuals can maximize their savings and secure their financial. 3. Investing. Investing is a powerful tool for growing wealth and achieving long-term financial goals. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce risk. Identify your investment goals, such as saving for retirement or buying a second home. Learn about different investment options, their risks and potential returns, and consult with a financial advisor if necessary. Investing is a long-term strategy and can involve short-term ups and downs, so it's important to have a long-term perspective and avoid making impulsive decisions. By starting early, diversifying your portfolio, setting goals, educating yourself, and being patient, you can make informed investment decisions and build a strong financial future. 4. Debt management. Debt management is a critical aspect of personal finance management. Understand the types and amounts of debt you have, including credit card debt, student loans, and mortgages. Focus on paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, first. Create a budget that includes paying off debt, and stick to it. If you have multiple debts with high interest rates, consider consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Avoid taking on new debt while paying off existing debt, and make a plan to live within your means. Effective debt management is crucial for financial stability and achieving financial goals. Consolidating debt, and avoiding new debt, individuals can take control of their finances and make progress towards a debt-free future. 5. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is an essential aspect of personal finance management. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. Estimate your expenses in retirement and determine how much you need to save. Consider using tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, to save for retirement and take advantage of tax benefits and compound interest. Spread your retirement savings across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce risk. Regularly review your retirement plan and adjust it as needed, taking into account changes in your life and the market. Retirement planning is important for ensuring financial security and stability in later life. By starting early, estimating expenses, utilizing tax-advantaged accounts, diversifying investments, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan, you can work towards a comfortable and secure retirement. 6. Protecting your finances. Protecting your finances is a crucial aspect of personal finance management. Protect sensitive personal information, such as social security numbers and passwords, from theft and fraud. Regularly check bank and credit card accounts for suspicious activity. Use strong, unique passwords for all financial accounts and update them regularly. Be cautious of scams, such as phishing emails and phone calls, and do not give out personal information without verifying the identity of the person requesting it. Consider insurance options, such as home, health, and life insurance to protect against financial loss due to unexpected events. By securing personal information, monitoring accounts regularly, using strong passwords, being wary of scams, and insuring against loss, you can safeguard your financial assets and minimize the risk of financial loss. Last but not least 7. Monitoring your finances. Monitoring your finances is an ongoing process of tracking your income, expenses, and savings, and making adjustments as needed to reach your financial goals. Determine your income and fixed expenses, and allocate a realistic amount for discretionary spending. Keep receipts, use online banking, or download a budgeting app to track your spending against your budget. Check your bank and credit card statements regularly to catch errors and fraudulent activity. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and reduce reliance on credit cards. Consider saving for retirement, education, or other long-term goals to secure your financial future. Seek guidance from a financial advisor or planner to help create a comprehensive financial plan. Regularly review and adjust your budget and financial goals to reflect changes in your life and market conditions. Remember, monitoring your finances is a continuous process. Take the time to review your spending, saving, and investment habits, and make adjustments as needed to achieve financial health. Whether you're just starting out or well into your financial journey, seeking advice and taking steps to improve your finances is key part of creating a secure financial future. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.